Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to lower pin and fix lag in COD Warzone 3 on PS5. From the game, press the start button from the controller, then go to settings, then go to graphic, then turn off the on-demand texture streaming, then go to accountant and network, then turn on the crossplay, then go to back and press the PlayStation button, then go to settings, then go to network, then click on test internet connection from connection status, then go to settings, then click on setup internet connection, then select your Wi-Fi network, then press the start button from the controller, then go to Wi-Fi frequency bands, then click on 5 Hz if your PS5 near to router, otherwise select it as 2.4 Hz or you can leave it as automatic. Then go to advanced settings, then go to DNS settings and change it as manual, then set primary DNS as 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS as 1.0.0.1 or 8.8.4.4. Try one of the according to your network speed, then go back and connection status, then select test internet connection to test it, and another method is restarting the router. By following these steps, you can fix lag in COD Warzone 3 on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.